Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Pamela Morin, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to stake your Terra LUNA on your Terra Station Wallet using the ledger. If today is your first time of watching or visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more crypto tutorials and guide. In our last class, I showed you how to buy Terra LUNA and transfer it to your ledger wallet. If you missed our class, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I'm also going to leave a link up here. Okay, so let's get started. How to stake Terra LUNA in your Terra Station wallet with ledger. Step 1. Go to station.terra.money. I'm going to leave this link in the description below. Next, you're going to click on Connect. Here, we're going to click on Access with Ledger. So this is where you're going to connect your ledger wallet to your computer. If you don't have a ledger wallet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to get one. So again, connect your ledger device to your computer and enter your PIN code. So go ahead and do that. Next, you're going to open your Terra app on your ledger device. So once your ledger device is Terra ready, you're going to click on Connect. So once you click on Connect, it's going to bring you to your own dashboard. As you can see, I have about 1.42 Terra LUNA. Step 2, click on Stake. Once you click on Stake, it's going to show you all the different validators that are available. And right here on this tab, you can see voting power. Voting power simply means how big the validator is. Next is self-delegation. Self-delegation simply tells you how much of the validator's token has been delegated. Okay? And for the commission just shows you how much the validator is going to be taken from your reward. And uptime simply means the validator has been up 100% of the time for the past 10,000 blocks. Okay, so how do you choose a validator to go with? Again, you have to do your own research. Usually I look at different criteria. For example, let's look at this one, solid state. You can see that it's already verified, so I'm going to click on it. So right here it shows you the voting power for the last 10,000 blocks. Is been up for the most part 99.9% of the time. Self-delegated, it has about 0.12, and right here it shows you the current commission, which is 5%. But right here you also see max daily change. That means that this validator can change the commission by 1% daily, and the maximum that this can go is 10. Okay, so again, this just shows you when you're deciding to go with a validator, it's important to look at all this criteria: the voting power, self-delegation, the uptime, the commission. So I'm gonna look at another example. Let's look at this one, Luna Station 88. So click on it. Right here you can see that the voting power is about 0.58. Self-delegation, you can see it. Uptime, currently the commission is 3%, and again this validator can change the commission up to 1% daily, and the maximum is 10%. And you can know more about them by reading more about them here, connecting with them on social media. This is their email, and obviously you can also view their website. Okay, so let me show you another example. Let's look at this one that says all nodes 0% fee. So when you look at this, again, you're gonna see the website, the email. Voting power is this. It's been up for the most part 100%, which is good. Self-delegation is 0%. I personally don't like that. Yeah, I don't like the fact that he doesn't, or he or she doesn't have any skin in the game. But and also 0% is a commission. Maximum daily change 1%, but it could go as high as 100%. So again, you have to weigh your own risks. Let's look at another example. So here again, you can see the website, the email, voting power is 1%, self-delegation is there, uptime good, then the current commission is 8%, but daily, the maximum daily change, this is almost 20%, meaning that the commission can change up to 20% in a day until it reaches a maximum of 39.9%. So again, I will be very careful with all this because this is a lot of change, especially in a day. So I'm gonna go with this one, Orion Money. So click on Orion Money. Again, this shows you their email, website, Twitter account. You can read more about them. This is your website here and the criteria that we talked about earlier. So now I'm going to click on delegate. I currently have 1.41 Lunar, so I'm going to delegate 0.5 Lunar, and this shows the fee, my balance, and balance after this transaction. So I click on submit. So now it says confirm in ledger, so it's confirming. So right on my ledger device it says view transaction, so I'm gonna click on the right arrow. It says type delegation. It shows me the amount once I click on the right button. So on my screen on my ledger device it says amount 0.5 Lunar. I click on the right button again. Then it's going to show me the validator's address. It shows me the fee, which is 0.005129, which is the same fee that we can see here on the screen. So it's virtually repeating the same information on my ledger device. So next you're gonna click on the right arrow. It says sign transaction. So I'm going to double click the two buttons on my ledger device. I'm currently using the Ledger Nano X. So I'm going to authenticate it by clicking on the two buttons at the same time. That is to sign the transaction. So once I do that, you can see this broadcasting transaction. This is queued. It says success. So I just click on confirm. And that's it. So once I come back here, click on wallet, it shows that I've already delegated 0.5 Lunar. This is the remaining balance I have. So I'm gonna choose another validator. I'm gonna go with this one, Luna Station 88. I'm gonna delegate some tokens to Luna Station 88. Shows you more information about them. So I'm gonna click on delegate. I'm gonna enter the amount. I want to delegate 0.5 again. I click on submit. It says confirm in ledger. I view the transaction on my ledger device. Click on the right button. Delegate. You click on the right button. It shows the amount again, validator's address, the fee. Then it says sign transaction. Again, I'm going to click on both buttons at the same time. And it says Terra ready, and it brings me to this page. Success, confirm. So again, once I come to my wallet, it shows that I've already delegated 1 Lunar. So that's just the easiest way for you to stake your Terra Luna in your Terra Station using your Ledger wallet. As I often say, It's important for you to protect and store your crypto on an external wallet, and the best one out there is the Ledger Nano X. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the correct website to get your crypto wallet. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's class. If you found any value whatsoever in today's tutorial, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and until then, I'm Blooming Omorin, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.